Welcome back to episode 3 of Summer Salad series, and today we are making light, juicy and simple mango avocado salad that is ready in minutes and full of color. In a large bowl, add half a cucumber, 1 chopped bell pepper, 2 diced ripe mangoes, 2 ripe avocados, thinly sliced onion and a handful of fresh coriander. Now drizzle over a couple tablespoons of olive oil and the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Season with a pinch of salt and little black pepper, just enough to bring out all those natural flavors. Give it a gentle toss, just enough to mix everything without smashing the avocados. And that's it. Fresh, colorful and full of flavor. Serve it right away while the avocado is perfect and creamy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the rest of Summer Salad series. More bright and beautiful recipes coming your way. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.